Shocking truth, Google tracks you on Android before you even open an app. Ever thought you could have some privacy on your Android phone? Think again. A recent deep dive into the hidden world of device IDs and trackers reveals that Google is watching you from the moment you set up your device, long before you even launch an app. Surprising? Definitely. Frustrating? Even more. A thorough study from researcher DJ Leith at Trinity College Dublin uncovers a troubling reality. Nearly immediately after turning on a brand new Android, at least 14 different cookies, trackers, and device identifiers are silently created and stored, all without any direct action from you. And here's the kicker: there's no real way to fully opt out or delete most of these hidden trackers. Leith points out that no consent is asked, nor do users know what these data pieces are for. They are stored even when your device is just sitting there idle, after a factory reset, and without opening any Google apps. That means, even if you've never signed in or used a Google service, your device is still sending out signals. So why does this happen? The researcher suggests it's all tied to the sign-in process. Once you input your Google account details, your entire device becomes a spy zone. Every Google app pre-installed on your phone is automatically linked. From the Play Store to Gmail, these apps are all part of this complex web. Take the DSID cookie, for example. Google claims it's used to personalize ads on non-Google sites based on your account. But Leith highlights that this cookie exists even when no apps are opened, and Google's explanation feels pretty vague. Then there's the Google Android ID, a persistent device identifier created during setup that survives factory resets, and sends data even if you're not logged into a Google account. Leith's report details all 14 trackers he found, describing their origins, where they're stored, and how they operate. Still, the big takeaway is clear. While you can dive into settings and permissions to try to control your privacy, there's no foolproof way to completely opt out or erase these trackers. Recently, Google has faced criticism over privacy. Just last month, they pushed out Safety Core, a feature designed to filter sensitive content, without user consent, and without clearly explaining what it does. Although their newer results about you tool offers easier options to manage your data, the initial rollout raised eyebrows. It's a stark reminder that, in the world of Android, your device may be more of a surveillance tool than a private companion. Staying aware and vigilant might be your best defense.